As always, I love to do experiments. So we're also going to do an experiment with the Pitfire Oildrums this time. Last year that I did a workshop, we were trying with an external chimney, and that didn't actually do so much. This year, we're going to try with a blower. So we're going to blow in air at the bottom of the barrel. And that should hopefully raise the temperature to a higher degrees. And why do I want to do that? It's because certain chemicals, like copper, only develop the right color, the beautiful blue color, when it gets up above 900 degrees Celsius. And that's really difficult to do with a normal fire. But by fueling more air into it, or oxygen into it, I'm hoping that we can raise the temperature. Time will tell. Tro. That all up color. So now it's time to load the kilns, and it looks like it could start raining, so we're in a bit of a rush. So bear with me.
De kalder det bare blallet, så det er sådan...
Det brænder så spike.
This is where the fun begins. So now we're gonna try and turn on the blower and see if it works. So Ulla, and I think we can conclude that it do indeed work. So now we are ready to light up the second barrel. It's a bit smoky here. I should be wearing a mask, I know, but too late now. In many ways, it's actually going really well. The first barrel, I'm laughing a little bit because the first barrel I wanted to get warmer and I wanted to be more smoky. And as you could see on some of the images, at least I achieved the second part of it. It was very smoky. But at least we have very vivid fire. And also, as you saw, we tested out the blower and it's very, very effective. So effective that I don't want to blow now when we have flames. But I'll try it out when we get into embers and the flames are dying out. But so far, it's actually going really well. With two other barrels, I'm also doing some smoke because we put sawdust or shavings, wood shavings in there, and they do create some smoke. But that will die out in a few moments, and then we'll just have the fire. So I'm still optimistic. I hope if you have the opportunity to go to a workshop that you do it. It's very inspirational. And in case there's no workshops close to you, I will, as I said in the beginning, I will have a online course in Pitfire available very soon. Maybe by the time you watch this video, it's already out there. And in that case, there will be a link down there in the description, maybe up here too, somewhere. And if it's not available yet, please subscribe to this channel, because then you'll also be notified about new videos. But also, when I have the online course ready, you will get a video about it. So please subscribe, and if you have any comments, please comment. And until I see you again, I just hope that you have a very good day. I had a great weekend, so see you.